Welcome to the Module 6a Exponential Functions review. We will solve each part step by step, algebraically, and with clear graphs. Problem 1 and 2. We compare the parent function f of x equals 3 to the x and the transformed function g of x equals 2 times 3 to the x plus 2 minus 2. First, let us draw shared axes and plot both. The parent will be dashed. The transform will be solid. Problem 1a. The y-intercept happens where x equals 0. So f of 0 equals 3 to the 0 equals 1. Problem 1b. Average rate of change on the interval from 0 to 2 is f of 2 minus f of 0, all over 2 minus 0. That equals 9 minus 1 divided by 2, which is 4. Problem 2a. For g of x, we again plug in x equals 0. G of 0 equals 2 times 3 squared minus 2, which equals 16. Problem 2b. Average rate of change from negative 2 to 0 is g of 0 minus g of negative 2 all over the width 2. G of negative 2 equals 0. So the rate equals 16 divided by 2, which is 8. Problem 3. Describe the transformations that turn the parent 3 to the x into g of x equals 2 times 3 to the x plus 2 minus 2. The x plus 2 means shift left 2 units. The factor 2 multiplies the output, a vertical stretch by 2. The minus 2 moves the graph down 2. The horizontal asymptote becomes y equals negative 2, and it is still exponential growth. Now a quick run through the transformation descriptions for items 4 to 12. For g of x equals 4 to the x minus 2, write 2. 5. Negative 2 times 3 to the x plus 3. Reflect over x-axis, stretch by 2, up 3. 6. 1/2 times 3/4 to the negative x equals 1/2 times 4/3 to the x. Reflect over y-axis and compress by 1/2. 7. 5 to the negative x plus 3 minus 8. Reflect over y-axis, right 3, down 8. 8. Negative 1 times 2 to the x minus 1, minus 1. Reflect over x-axis, right 1, down 1. 9. For over 3 times 5 to the x minus 2, plus 6, right 2, up 6, vertical stretch by 4/3. 10. From 2/3 to the x to 2/3 to the x plus 6, left 6. 11. From 8 to the negative x to 0.5 times 8 to the negative x, compress by 1/2. 12. From 2 to the x plus 5 to 2 to the x plus 4 minus 1, left 4 and down 6. Problem 13. Y equals 4 times 2 to the x. The y-intercept. Set x equals 0 to get 4. Let us graph it and mark a few points. Problem 14. Y equals 2 times 1/2 to the x minus 1 minus 4. Let us compute a quick table for x equal negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. Now we graph it and show the horizontal asymptote, y equals negative 4. Problem 15. F of x equals 4 times 2 to the x plus 2 minus 2. We summarize the graph characteristics. Intercepts. The y-intercept is 14. The x-intercept occurs at x equals negative 3. Average rate of change on negative 3 to 0 equals 14 over 3. Domain all real numbers. Range greater than negative 2. Asymptote y equals negative 2. Left end approaches negative 2. Right end approaches infinity. Problem 16. F of x equals 2 times 1/4 to the x plus 1. There is no x-intercept since outputs are always positive plus 1. The y-intercept is 3. Average rate of change from negative 1 to 0 is negative 6. Domain all real numbers. Range greater than 1. Asymptote y equals 1. Left end goes to infinity. Right end approaches 1. Problem 17. F of x equals negative 2 times 2 to the x minus 1 plus 6. The y-intercept is 5. The x-intercept solves 2 to the x minus 1 equals 3. So x equals 1 plus log base 2 of 3. The average rate of change on 0 to 3 equals negative 7 over 3. Domain all real numbers. Range less than 6. Asymptote y equals 6. Left end approaches 6. Right end goes to negative infinity. Problem 18. F of x equals negative 3 times 2 to the x minus 2 minus 1. We state domain and range in 3 notations. Domain, all real numbers. As inequalities, we can write negative infinity less than x less than infinity. Range, outputs are below -1. As inequalities, y is less than -1. Interval notation is open from negative infinity to -1. Set builder is left brace, y such that y is less than -1, right brace. Great work! We found intercepts, average rates of change, transformations, graph characteristics, and domain and range in multiple notations. Rewatch any section as needed and practice with new exponential equations.